Bahasa Inggris. Teks. Who is the chicken noodle in my school? Asked the cave frontal. The next time I knew the boy, I remember that I was a fan of numero uno, the chicken noodle, the Mamang canteen. Who is Mang canteen? Chicken noodles canteen. I squeezed my hair, annoyed, and then shouted while looking around. Biaz Arata, where are you? And Voila. My scream succeeded in luring Biaz, who was cuddling somewhere to get out. Really, sis? He replied, grumbling. Grunted irritably. First, you said the same. I won't have a commotion at home. And in fact, it's no noisy. You want me to tell this to Ma and Pa, if you still have friends at home. Bias immediately put on a sullen face as he looked down and shook his head. Good. Now, tell your friends. Don't be noisy. Bias nodded. Then he went to leave. I held back his arm. I haven't explained the second point, bro. Bias sighed. Yes. Hurry up. Which child? I asked, pointing to Sandini's guy on the right side me. Bias looked at the guy and I took turns. You don't know, he's our neighbor. His house is next of ours. I'm walking. Science. Since when did this guy become a neighbor of my house? That why when invited to go around, follow along, not be like a rotten single. Girl, I immediately removed the flip-flops that I used and then threw a Bias head. Right. At that moment, the crazy guy, choked and smiled. Hey, beautiful sister. The end.